Tap into the love light frequencies that are coming in by experiencing nature. Nature is calling us to notice. Nature is saying we know the frequencies, we know what's going on, and if you pay attention to us, you could feel our vibration in your body and your soul. Follow that vibration. If you look at the clouds and you can see them going by slowly, feel the speed that they're going. Feel the wind that's blowing in the trees. Sway with the trees. That's a good way to understand the vibration. The wind knows. The wind carries the codes. The trees carry the codes. The water carries the codes. Find a moment by yourself and just sway with the trees. Look up to the very tops and move how they move. And really feel it in your soul. Nature. Nature is calling us. Ride with these waves, babies. Thank you, nature. Thank you for all you provide. You are beautiful. You are just beautiful. Everything in perfect alignment. Take a moment today, please, to appreciate nature. And then thank nature for the work it's doing. 'Cause we're a team. You, me, the water in this river, the trees, the clouds in the sky. We're all a team working on this ascension process. Nature wants to give us signs. Nature is here for us. Divine loves. Go hug a tree today. Karis is watching. Are they gonna think you're weird? So what? They're beautiful and they're here to support us. Love for the divine, my babies. Go set yourselves free. Grow your wings, light workers. Now's the time. I can feel it. Can't you feel it? Amazing. Love you. Love you. Goodbye.